Right, Barry. Next bit then is we're going to talk about how do you get these suppliers in. So you're going to go into your directory, back into your dashboard. In here, if you go down into pages and all pages, you'll see that I have made, just based on what our last meeting was, 1, 2 and 3, three different suppliers with different designs made for them. If you get someone who's just supplying you with one photo, then use this one. If you're using supplier with a pile of photos they want you to use this one. If you're using supplier that have a video that they can provide to you, then use this one. I'm just going to pick the one photo on top one to work with to start with. First thing we're going to do is going to duplicate this. Okay, be careful then, you've got two of these, so what one do you want to do? You want to make sure that you use the one that was most recently produced. Let me see, this one and down in here is the one that's just been produced today, published 9:38, isn't that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so with this here information, then what we're going to do is as follows, and I'll try to take you through all this. So this is the one I want to go. I'm going to do a quick edit to start with, and this is where you need to change to the supplier name. This is supplier name. You call that what you want. Obviously then you'll want to use that for the slug. The slug's the bit that's going to appear up in this top bit. Then you need to select here, where is this going to be found under, and this makes your little breadcrumbs work a little bit, that guides the user through it. So if this is going to be maybe under curtains or shutters, I need to say which one it's going to be. So this is a new flooring and tiles supplier. So what I think I'll do is I do flooring and tiles, and then I'll hit update. Okay, so here is it appearing down in here. Don't be afraid if it disappears off, just type that in and go search, because it could appear somewhere further down the list. Now I've got it set up roughly. I want to edit this with Cornerstone. Okay, over on this side. So I'm going to select edit with Cornerstone. Similar sort of process then from what you've seen before. I've named all these for you so that they come up exactly where you need them to be. And then here, that's where I typed in, this is the supplier name. Something similar, anywhere I click, I can go X and add in a new picture. I can type in my new blurb here with a double click, or here, my new blurb in here with a double click, or here. My new contact details, double clicks. Here is a website, so I've just double clicked and let me just show you. I'll just go in there, up into this. I've typed in my website address, and then I've hit edit. I selected then links. So say for example, here's my new website address. I can insert link, and I can just type in then exactly, or paste in exactly what where I want it to link to. These will all share as you request it. How do we bring in a new map? We're in here. If you click on this map, this is the embed code that you need to change. How do you get an embed code? Well, let me just show you. Let me type in the new supplier's Ulster Life. So I'll just type in, Ulster Life Group. Yeah, that's us. Okay, so that tells me where it's at. If you go into share here, up into embed a map, then you can copy your HTML, and this will make an interactive map that you want to view. Back in, I can then just wipe all this out, Control V in, and there it's brought up then this new embed area, and then I can hit save. Okay, with that information now in, I have now got this website, this new supplier in. Now all I have to do is make sure I link it to where I want it to go to. So as I said before, this is the supplier name as a new bathroom one, I think, or no, flooring and tiles, I think I said. So when I navigate to where I want this to go, it's maybe, let's see, a tile and stone merchant. Let's see, this is a good one. Yeah, okay, so I want it now to appear in here. So I go to now my edit page. Something similar to what I've done before. I need to always edit with Cornerstone. Now I will then change this image to the supplier, the one that the person gave it to me. So let's go in here and have a wee look. This is where I'm going to, I can double click, I just go in this way. I can call this my new supplier. You've got to be creative on how you do this. This is all, if you want the boxes to be the same size, then you have to go to double lines and so on. This is the key bit, how do I get it to link? And well, in fact, I can obviously change my picture that I've done before. Read more, this is where I click up into my hyperlink. And then at this point, because this is already a page which is already created, now I can just go looking for it. So I think I called that page, this is a new supplier. So I'll start typing this as, yeah, that's the one there which I made. So when I click on that, hit the blue box, then all of a sudden that's now changed into a hyperlink. I can go and change the picture for this as well. I can go in, I think I'll just go in, use my little interior stock directory, 750 by 350, pop that in. I'm happy with that. I think I'll go save. So if I exit out of this, now let me have a wee look. I'll go back into my interior stock directory, I visit my site. It was under flooring and tiles. In here it was tiles and stones, and then let me see, yes, here's my new supplier. It's bigger box because I've taken 2 lines rather than these ones are on 1 line. Now this link should take me to that page, and hey presto, there it is in there.